To my one and only. I call him one from his name, John. John Pert. And I thank God that He gave me you. Because who would have thought, diba? According to research, it's only 2% of the high school sweetheart will end up marrying each other. And we are lucky and blessed because we are part of that 2%.
My dearest Mavi, first of all, I want to thank the Lord. Kay iya dyong gituman akong pangandoy nga makasal sa taong gusto gid ako makauban sa hangtod. And now, we are finally here in this moment nga atong gipangandoy sa pila ka tuig. I can still vividly remember the day when we first met katong first year high school bata. I said to myself, dili ko anin niyang bayhana kay gwapa ra kayo basin daghan ako gupitin siya. I was in denial katong adlaw. But katong adlaw pa lang ibaw na ko nga naigo jud ko sa iyang charm.
My 15-year-old self is very proud of what we've become. You are my first and last boyfriend, and forever the love of my life. Thank you for letting me love you. Thank you that I've got to go through and experience different phases of life with you. From high school to college days as reviewers as well as working adults, dealing all this adulting life. It was not easy, but it was all worth it.
But since we are too young para sa gugma, nag-focus ako sa atong iyang kinabuhi. Siya nagseryoso sa iyang pag-eskwela, ug ako pod nagseryoso sa akong pagdota o kuyog-kuyog sa akong mga barkada. And as the time passed by, I patiently waited para makatigom ko og guts to express my feelings towards her. Hangtod naabot sa 4th year high school nga nakibaw ko nga crush mo sa day ko nimo sa una pa. Hearing those things from my friends, I finally said to myself, it's now or never. And that, thank God, napasugod mo sa pick-up.
We are going to open another chapter in our lives. We are going to create a lot of memories, a lot of them. Little things to big things. But we may never know what will happen for the next days because problems or trials are there. They are inevitable. But one thing's for sure, we will never have to face it alone because we have each other, as always. And then there will be unlimited hugs and cuddles and a lifelong adventure.
And today, in the presence of our Creator, our families and friends, I vow to be your partner, your lover, and your best friend. In times of difficulties, I will be your helping hand. Na ako pirmi sa imong giliran. And in times of pain, I will be your comfort. Higugmaon ti ka bisan moabot ang adlaw, malisod kang higugmaon. And in times of happiness, I will smile and laugh with you for the rest of my life. I love you, Flan.
I've always loved that peaches and cream, just like rock and roll. You pair 'em up, you're living the dream. They got so much soul. Go together, like Selma and Louise. Now that I got you here next to me, green light, let's go. I'm feeling oh so nice. Been waiting all my life. It's good to be alive with you here by my side. Go together, like you were made for me. We go together, just you is all I need.
misunderstanding and some petty arguments in the future, but I know we can do this
Can't get enough
as long as we will put God as the center of our relationship.
together.
May we all be reminded that there is no perfect relationship and ours will never be too.
I'll start
So, because we are imperfect, that we are imperfectly perfect for each other. That's with our hashtag, John Perfect for Mavi. And Ga, I love you so much and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Mami, kini si Jennifer kanya karutini. Dawatong bali mo siya kay mong bana, sumala sa lagaw sa atong inahan sa iglesia.
Opo, Padre.
Jennifer, kini si Mami nga niya karutini. Dawatong bali mo siya kay mong asawa, sumala sa lagaw sa atong inahan sa iglesia.
It's good to be alive
Opo, Padre.
by my side. We go together. We go together. We go together.
There you go, ladies and friends, sa ating